Hi everyone, this is Amy with My Plant Passion, and today we are going to talk about hydroponics. These are Tiny Tim tomatoes, and they're about 30 days old. They were kind of bushier at the bottom, so we cut those off so we can get more airflow through there. And I noticed that we have much better luck growing through hydroponics, especially tomatoes. Versus soil. I can never really get them to grow very good indoors in potting soil, but I can. I mean, these guys are taking off like crazy. Again, these are only about 30 days old, which is crazy. They've already got buds and blooms all over them, and we fertilize these about every couple of weeks. Fertilizer, it's like nutrients that you put in the water, and we have the light on quite a bit, like all day, and then we shut it off at night. The pump usually stays on pretty much all day. But these by far are much easier to grow through the hydroponics. It does something to them. We have another hydroponic system that has like a trellis on it that we're going to grow cucumbers eventually. And so stay tuned to our future videos because we're going to show more hydroponic stuff on there as well. Thank you so much for watching my video. Remember to subscribe to our channel and like our video to stay tuned to more videos. Remember, for your mind, body, and soul, to play in the dirt. Bye for now.